To view a list of extracts you have access to, click Reports, then select Viewpoint Extracts. Optionally, filter the list for a specific application, dimension, view, or viewpoint. The list includes any extracts you created, as well as public extracts to which you have access. Copying extracts. You can copy extracts to the same dimension and viewpoint as the original, a different dimension and viewpoint in the same application as the original, and a different dimension and viewpoint in a different application of the same type as the original. For example, you can copy an extract in a planning application only to other planning applications. You must have at least participant read permission on the target viewpoint to copy an extract to it. Click the dimension link for the extract you want to copy, and then select the Extracts tab. In the Actions menu for the extract, select Copy. Optionally, enter a new name and description. Extracts for the same target dimension must have unique names. Optionally select a different application, dimension, view, or viewpoint for the new extract. When you're done, click Copy to create the extract. In the inspector, you can verify and edit the new extract if necessary. When you refresh the Viewpoint Extracts report, the new extract is displayed. Promoting private extracts to public. By default, extracts are private and only the creator can view or use them. Users with the owner or metadata manager permission on the extract dimension can promote private extracts to public use. Public extracts can be viewed, copied, and run by any user with access to the view and at least participant read access to the viewpoint. Open the Dimension Inspector for the extract you want to promote and select the Extracts tab. Click the Actions menu for the extract, then select Promote. Confirm the promotion. The visibility is changed to public. You cannot demote a public extract back to private visibility. However, copying a public extract creates a new private extract. Deleting extracts. You can delete any private extracts that you created. To delete public extracts, you must have the owner or metadata manager permission on the dimension in the extract. Open the Dimension Inspector for the extract you want to delete and select the Extracts tab. Click the Actions menu for the extract, then select Delete. Confirm the deletion. This video is part of a video learning series on extracting data in Enterprise Data Management. Click the link for the next video or check the description for links to the entire series. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.